Struggling to light your wood fireplace on the coldest days? You're not alone. In this video, we'll show you simple yet effective ways to get that fire roaring, no matter how cold it is outside. The key to lighting a wood fireplace in cold weather is understanding air pressure. The cold air outside and warm air inside can create a pressure difference, making it tough to start a fire. But don't worry, we've got 3 tricks to help you out. First, preheat your chimney. Using a handheld propane torch, hold it near the flue to warm up the chamber. This reverses the airflow so heat can rise properly. Next, crack a nearby door or window. This balances the air pressure inside your home, helping to kickstart the airflow up your chimney. You might feel a brief chill, but your fire will catch quicker and heat your home faster. Finally, use Firebrick and newspaper for quick heating. Break Firebrick into small pieces and arrange them in a V shape. Surround it with scrunched up newspaper balls. Light the smallest Firebrick and watch the flames rise. Once the chimney draft is established, add wood gradually. By following these steps, lighting your wood fireplace even on the coldest days becomes a breeze. Stay warm and enjoy the cozy atmosphere in your home this winter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fireplace tips.